Is your VW crafter or transporter key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, positive side up, and a plastic pry tool or guitar pick to open the fob case without scratching it. First, locate the seam on the fob. Insert the pry tool and gently twist to separate the halves. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Insert the new one, positive side up. Reassemble the fob and test its range within 3 to 5 meters of the vehicle. This usually solves the problem and restores functionality. If replacing the battery doesn't resolve the issue, try a firmware update through the VW Connect app. Alternatively, visit a dealership for reprogramming, which typically costs between $50 and $100. For vehicles with push-button start, a dead fob battery can disable the ignition system. In these cases, use the mechanical key backup that's integrated into the fob. Consider aftermarket kits available on Amazon or eBay for $10 to $20. These kits offer extended battery life using low-power transmitters. VW's newer crafter and transporter models from 2024 onward increasingly feature digital keys accessed via smartphone apps, reducing dependence on physical fobs. Looking ahead to 2027-2030, expect fully wireless and rechargeable fobs powered by kinetic energy harvested from movement. Avoid low-quality unbranded batteries due to higher failure rates. For fleet operators, test multiple fobs if problems persist, as firmware glitches may require dealer service. Always align the valet key slot during reassembly.